What is up, guys? Today I will show you how to unlock any scooter, all of them available. So here I have quite many scooters of different brands, but today we'll focus on two scooters here. So here is from the left side is Ninebot F3 here and Kugo Max M4 Plus here. So basically two of them as an example I will unlock, but using this tutorial you can unlock any of the scooter of this brand and any other brands. So let's check it out how to do it. So as you see currently, let me show you, it goes gear 3 and goes up to 20, even less, 23 kilometers, 24 kilometers per hour. And for Ninebot scooter, let's try also the speed mode here. Let's try the sport mode here. So let's check it out. I will put it up a bit. Okay, maximum 25 kilometers per hour. So currently let's unlock it to 32 kilometers per hour, and here we will have maximum speed is much more, around 50, maybe more. So let's do it. Let's start with a Google scooter. So first what you need to do is press plus and minus at the same time. You will open the secret menu here. So using the power button, go to point 15 here. That's actually limit our maximum capacity of our scooter. Then use plus to add it to 100. Just click it like many times, and 100 means it can use 100 power of your scooter. So actually what we need here, and once you reach this number, you need to save it. So how to save it? Just click the power button again. Okay, so 100, click the power button, it's saved. Then turn it off and turn on the scooter again. And let's put the gear 3 here again and try it out. Maximum speed. As you see, 54 km per hour, so it's fully unlocked. It's with one engine, so only back engine is using. With two engines you can reach even higher speed. So let's try for Ninebot now. For this you need an app called Scooter Hacking Utility app. So what you need to do is to download this app. So that's how the name of it, Scooter Hacking Utility. I will leave a link in the description below. Then you connect your F3 scooter here. So first time you click power button to confirm. Then you see you have the F3 EU 25 km per hour maximum speed. Switch to tools, change the region, go to the F3 global. You have F3 Pro, depends on your scooter. So it's also applicable to the T3 Pro and many others. So I select 32 km per hour F3 US, it's enough for me. Okay, it's beep one time. Here you see F3 US 32 km per hour, so it will be restarted. And after restart, so let's try it out. I will put the wheel up and okay, I think we should remove limitation in the app before. So go again with the app, connect it, go to the tools, and you see sport maximum speed set to 32 km per hour. Here, move this. So now it's 32, now let's try it out again. Okay, so you see it's going 30, 31, 32 km per hour, so the maximum speed can be reached. And actually that's how easily for 3 minutes you can unlock any scooter, any brand. And in case you still have some questions, just leave in the comments below, put a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time.